In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pabbly Connect to Google Drive, upload, move files. By the end, you'll have an automation that sends files straight into Google Drive or moves them between folders without manual work. First, log into Pabbly Connect and create a new workflow. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. Next, choose your trigger app. This is what starts the automation, such as a form submission, a new row added to a spreadsheet, a webhook event, or a new file appearing in another system. Pick the specific trigger event, then run a quick test so Pabbly can capture sample data. That sample is important. It lets you map fields correctly in the next steps and avoids guesswork when you set up actions. Once your trigger is working, add an action step and search for Google Drive as the application. Choose the action event that matches your goal. Use upload a file to send files to Drive, or upload large file for bigger uploads. This option is designed for files around 500 MB or more. If your goal is organizing files, you can select move a file to send a file from one folder to another, create a folder to build a new destination, copy a file to duplicate it, or even rename or delete files. Click Connect or Connect with Google and complete the authorization so Pabbly can access your drive. Make sure you choose the right Google account if you manage more than one. For uploading, select either Upload a File or Upload Large File and pick the target folder. You may be asked for the folder ID. A quick tip is to copy it from the Drive URL when that folder is open. Now, map the file source from your trigger. If a file was uploaded through a form, map the file URL or file data field provided by that trigger. You can also add a custom file name, include the proper extension like .pdf or .jpg so Drive knows how to handle it. Click Save and Send. Test request to confirm everything works. After a moment, check your chosen Drive folder to make sure the file appears as expected. If you're organizing instead of uploading, select Move a file as your action. Map the file ID from your trigger or a previous step. Choose the destination folder and run a test to verify the move. That's it. With your trigger tested and your Google Drive action configured, your workflow will take it from here and handle uploads or moves automatically whenever the trigger fires.